Every week, I'm going to try to share a different technique or principle or concept that helps me achieve my goals. And one of those is how I approach curb appeal. Curb appeal to me is a very important part of getting those pictures up, getting the traffic to the front door, and trying to make a sale before I'm 100% complete with a build. That's exactly what happened with this one. Before the winter came, we were able to get some sod done, get the masonry done. Literally, the few days after Christmas, we knocked this all out and get those pictures up, and guess what? In January, the right buyer came, we had those pictures up, and the rest is history. And now we're wrapping up those final details. But it was that initial appearance of curb appeal that brought the traffic in the front door and ultimately made the sale. We are back at Hicksville number 1, and as you guys can see, the progress is remarkable. It's really starting to look like a house now. Our siding was done last week, gutters were done a couple days ago, masonry's well underway. We were short some stone, which is on order, so that's going to get started up again in the next couple days. In the meantime, our mechanicals are ongoing. Electric, plumbing, and HVAC are nearing completion. We're going to have our inspections next week, and then we can get focused on closing up these walls. In the meantime, the focus is really on curb appeal. As you guys can see, a lot of the masonry's done. Our driveway's formed. Our cultured stone is underway. We're going to replace all of this sidewalk in the next couple days. We're going to get our final grade set, bring some topsoil in, some shrubs, some mulch. The idea is to get this product looking as complete as possible, get some real traffic in the door, and the way to do that is to get your curb appeal maximized for wherever you're at in the build, get some good pictures up, and start to show the house. Before we wrap up for today, I just want to give you guys an update with where we're at with the other projects. So I have Hicksville number 2, if you guys recall from the earlier episodes. That was the one with the big side addition and rear addition. That one's going really well. We got the second floor deck up already. The walls are going up tomorrow. I'd say in about 2 to 3 weeks, we'll have that shelf fully complete with the roof on, windows in, siding all wrapped up. And going back to the curb appeal, that's another house that I have available that's a spec build. And the idea is to get that shell complete, get the property graded up, get that construction fence out of there, and get it to a point where it's marketable. So that's Hicksville number 2. I have 2 other projects in Plainview that I'm working on right now. One's in the demo phase, or the pre-demo phase, I should say. We're going to be knocking that house down in a couple weeks. And the other one is in the design phase. I'm wrapping up some plans for a 5-bed, 3-bath, new construction. Really unique project, kind of different. It's a corner property, so we're going to be incorporating that into that design as well. And then I got a couple other things that I'm working on, a few listings that I'm working on. I have a house that's getting ready to close in a few weeks. One of my good college buddies came to me when he was ready to buy a house, and we found him and his wife the perfect house. He actually got married and got this house in the same week, so we're going to bring you by there as well. That one should be closing in a couple weeks. And otherwise, that's pretty much it for now.